My dear locked kings and queens, if like myself you are going a while without retwisting your locks, please make sure that when your hair is wet stroke damp, preferably after you finish washing your hair, that you just gently go with your fingers, go through the roots of each lock and just gently separate your locks, because my hair or my locks have the habit of joining together. Honestly, it's absolutely ridiculous. Okay, now that's sorted. For this hot oil treatment, all you're gonna need is this Jamaican Pure Black Castor Oil. A lot of you guys keep asking me what brand do I use, what brand do I use. I can't emphasize this enough. I don't care for brands. When I go to the hair shop, yeah, whatever pure black Jamaican castor oil that is there, that is reasonably priced, it is pure, it doesn't have no rubbish in it, yeah, that's what I go for. This one in particular, guys, can you see it's almost done? Like, it's up to here in case my camera's not capturing it. This one is by Yari, so it's called Jamaican 100% pure castor oil, and it's got the original with a Jamaican flag on it. On the back it says Yari Jamaican Black Castor Oil has reparative omegas that stimulate healthy hair growth. It also deeply moisturizes while conditioning hair and scalp, suitable for all hair types. Directions for use: massage small amounts of Yari Jamaican Black Castor Oil into scalp daily. I don't do that daily. Oh hell no, that's way too much oil. And it says do not rinse out. Other usages: repairs and replenishes dry skin and other skin conditions, for external use only. You lot already know Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I think in one of my videos I said that I was gonna get into the habit, or that I do use it, I think 3 times a week. I don't. I now just use it on my scalp twice a week. So like I said, for this hot oil treatment, all you need is this black Jamaican castor oil, carrier bag. This towel, it's a towel, is optional. If you have a steamer, you can do that. Unfortunately, I don't have the luxury of having a steamer, so literally, let me just remove this towel from around my neck. You lot already know this is a continuation video from me doing the apple cider vinegar rinse and from me washing my hair with a scalp massager. I'm not gonna do a hot oil treatment, like I've already said. I'm not gonna lie, with hot oil treatments, I'm not gonna stand here and say that, oh yes, I religiously do it once a month, because the truth be told, I can be hella lazy. I can't tell you the last time I did a hot oil treatment, but in the past I used to do hot oil treatments maybe every 2 to 3 months using coconut oil. So this is the first time that I'm doing a hot oil treatment using castor oil instead. So literally what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a bit, right? Hopefully that should be enough. Is it captured? I hope so. And I'm just literally just gonna go all over my scalp. And also what I like to do as well is I like to put some on my edges too, because you lot know castor oil has a lot of benefits when it comes to hair growth. Like, it's great for promoting hair growth, it's great for thickening up your hair, it's great for, like, if you're balding, you can use it. What else is it great for? Great for moisturizing as well. A lot of you have reached out to me and told me that you are allergic to castor oil, or that castor oil makes your scalp very dry and itchy. And I can 100% relate, because before I had locks, I gave castor oil a try. I did, and it did exactly what you guys are telling me. It had my scalp feeling dry, it had it feeling ridiculously itchy. Yes, it did. And that's why I was very surprised when I gave it a try again last year after watching Yani Locologist's video and reading her blogs and seeing what she recommends, and I was really flabbergasted that it actually now works with me so well. So I no longer use coconut oil, I just use black Jamaican castor oil. I'm aware that the majority of my viewers as well are from the States, so sometimes when I tell you the price of things, it's not really helpful, but I'm gonna tell you guys anyway. This bottle cost me £8.99. I got it from my local hair shop. Here in the UK we have a hair store called Pax, and it is 250 ml. And in terms of expiry, it says to use basically within 12 months, and the ingredients is obviously black castor oil. There's nothing else involved in it. There's no, you know, sometimes, yeah, you go to the hair shop or whatever store it is and you pick up something that you think is pure. Like, I remember when I first went natural, I made this mistake. I'd go to the hair shop, and let's just say if I was buying avocado oil, yeah, I'd go pick up an avocado oil, and because it says organic, pure avocado oil, whatever it will say on the front, I'll just be like, boom, yes, I've got the avocado oil. Then one day when I actually bothered to read, and this is why nowadays nowadays I'll say 90% of the time I do my best to make sure that I am reading the ingredients to stuff that I buy, especially if it claims to be solely one particular oil, because you will find with the hair shop they're quite cheeky. You might pick up a bottle and it says 100% pure avocado oil. You read the ingredients and it has got almond oil in it, it's got grapeseed oil in it, it's got glycerine in it, and it's only got like maybe 10% avocado oil in it. So just be very mindful when you're making purchases. So yeah, I don't think I have a big head, but I have a lot of hair, so sometimes doing this can feel like it's taking forever. So basically the aim is to obviously try and get the oil all over your scalp as possible, and then obviously I like to put a bit on my edges. There we are, and that should just go around. So yeah, literally that's all you need. If I have any excess, then I will just put it on my locks, but I won't go out of my way to put more into my actual locks. It's actually unnecessary. And recently, not even recently, I think from maybe last September times, I've got into the habit of actually not using oil on my actual locks, or maybe once in a blue moon I will. I predominantly use rose water to just spritz my actual locks. Great, so once you slathered a little bit of castor oil all over your scalp, all you gotta do is, oh yeah, I think I showed you guys, I can't remember, hopefully I showed you guys that you will need a bag. So what I like to do is, because I'm extra, I just like to make sure that there isn't no creepy crawlies up in the bag. So I tend to, you know, turn the bag inside out, and then I basically do what you've got to do to be able to get the bag over your head. I've got a hell of a lot of locks, so I normally just turn it down, and then I'll just grab hold onto it like so, and then I just put it into the bag. Right, obviously you're gonna get your flyaways. When I say flyaways, I mean the locks that are gonna try to get away, because obviously not all of your locks, or not all of my locks, are the same length. So I've got it all into the bag now. Now it's all about tying it. That was much harder than I was expecting for it to be, but hey. So you tied it up. Now it's up to you if you just want to leave it like so. Most of the time I like to leave it like so. This part is optional. If you want, you can wrap it with a towel for extra heat or whatever, or if you have the luxury of a steamer, you can sit under your steamer. How you do it in terms of time frame is up to you today. The time is currently, my mashup clock is making a return, 5:28 p.m. so I'm going to give it 12 minutes. I'll be extra, and basically at 5:40 I'm going to take my locks out of the bag. I'm not gonna lie, the weather's hot today. I can't be bothered to use my towel, so I'm not gonna use it, and plus it's quite damp because I used it to wash my hair as well. So I shall see you guys in 12 minutes. Great, so it's 5:41 p.m. okay, 1 minute kind of fell on it. And yeah, I'm going to untie this, or you know what, when I can't be arsed, I just literally just pull back. Great, and this is how my locks be looking, right? So as you can see, It might look weird because I'm looking at my monitor above my camera, but you know, you can see it looks healthy. Wow, it actually feels, I know you guys can't feel it, but it feels very nice and soft and moisturized and not like oily. Look at my hands, guys, you see that? It's not like mad oily as well because I didn't use that much. So that's literally where we're at. Why I do hot oil treatments from time to time is simple. It's because after you've washed your hair, most of the times, depending obviously also on what you use to wash your hair is stripped of essential oils, meaning that your hair now can feel dry and feel brittle. And I just feel like hot oil treatments is a great way for you to basically add nutrients, for you to add moisture, and just add general goodness to your locks. So hopefully you can see from afar how my locks are looking. It's got a, someone commented on my locks and the other day and said that it looks very fresh, and forgot the word that they used, and was it shiny or glowy? But yeah, so after this hot oil treatment, that's basically how my locks be looking from afar. Obviously my hair is still quite damp, so what I'm going to do is, I don't air dry my locks. I'm not gonna lie to you guys and come and be like, oh, I don't use no heat on my locks. When I wash my hair, I blow dry my hair for about 10 minutes. I basically use a mixture of medium heat and then cool heat, so I kind of alternate between the two. That's what I do. So I'm gonna go and do that and then leave it to air dry. Reason for that is, it doesn't matter whether I spend 10, 20, 30 minutes blow drying my hair, my locks will never fully be dry. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I'm just gonna wait for you to just hit the subscribe button, join the family, like, and don't be afraid to give me further tips or give me ideas of topics or things you would like for me to do. But until my next video, take care, you be good, see ya.